welcome to my channel. I'm Vicky and in today's video I'll be doing a full face of only makeup brands owned by celebrities. So let's get started. So I'll start up with a primer by no one, then Rare Beauty by Selena Gomez. This is always an Optimist Pore Diffusing Primer. Now Rare Beauty was founded by Selena Gomez on 22nd of February 2019, so almost like 4 years, which is absolutely crazy. This is the tiny little guy that I'm gonna put today on my face. I mean, I've tested already before. I have a full face of Rare Beauty, so you can see right there. This has a very sort of like gel consistency. Feels very tacky. It reminds me of that primer from e.l.f. Excuse my face, it's very weird today, like it has lots of redness and it feels like not the best day to film a makeup video, but the show must go on. Now that my face is nicely prepped, I'm gonna move on into the foundation, and today I'm gonna use Filt'r Soft Matte Longwear Foundation by Fenty Beauty, which is no other than the brand founded by American singer and songwriter Rihanna in 2017. Now this brand was revolutionary because it was the first brand to come out with 40 shades of foundation, like over that, which is absolutely amazing for those times, back in those days. The shade I'm gonna use is 100 and this was about £11. Now I've been looking for ages for a foundation that is kind of matte because my skin is really oily, so I'm very curious to see how this little guy is gonna perform. Oh my god, that's very liquidy. I did not expect that. Looks a little bit lighter. I use the website foundation.com where I try to find my shade, so if anything, I'm gonna blame that website. The next celebrity product I will be using is again from Rare Beauty because
I have a lot of different brands, but not all of them are different.
And I will be using Liquid Touch Brightening Concealer in the shade 140C. I feel like this concealer has higher coverage than the foundation itself because you kind of can see here somewhere part of my rosy cheeks, which are rosy by default. I didn't add any blush. I think it's a very good concealer. It's cake free, it's very hydrating, and I quite like it. It's actually one of the products that I'm using. Now the only product that I don't have today, which is quite of a shame, I know, is a bronzer. And to be honest,
I was never into using bronzers
until now. So the bronzer, or the fakey bronzer, will come from REM Beauty or Rem Beauty by Ariana Grande, which is an American singer and songwriter, and she founded Rem Beauty in 2021 if I'm not wrong. And for the bronzer I'm gonna use one of her blushes, REM Beauty Cheek Lip Stick. This is in the shade Stage Mom. You know, I think this is definitely a better idea than no bronzer at all because I feel that my face is quite pale at the moment. Okay, I think my forehead looks more pinky than bronzy, but that's okay because I think that I look more like sunburned than sun-kissed, which is absolutely fine because that's what happens to me all the time. Anyway, we're gonna move on into the powder, and for that we have again another product from Rare Beauty, and this is always an Optimist Soft Radiance Setting Powder in the lightest shade. It mattifies quite well, and actually the makeup sits on for like hours and hours. Now my favorite part, it's of course the blush, and to be honest I'm a little bit undecisive. I don't know which blush shall I choose because I have two options. So the first one is this one, which is Cream Blush by Fenty Beauty in the shade 3 Bikini Martini, or Soft Pinch Dewy Liquid Blush by Rare Beauty in the shade Happy. I must say, I think from these two there is no denial that this is the best. Like the payoff and the amount of blush you get into this one is absolutely insane. This is gonna last you a lifetime. Too bad it's expiring. This has no competition when it comes to blushes, or at least when it comes to blushes of celebrity brands. We finally have a new celebrity brand! Yay! And this time we're talking about Honest Beauty by Jessica Alba. And Honest Beauty was founded in 2012 by the super famous Hollywood actress, entrepreneur, and New York Times bestseller actress. So this is a little kit that I got from Look Fantastic for only £7.20, which was very cheap for a celebrity brand. I guess this one is not as hyped as the previous ones because I haven't seen many people talking about it, and constantly I see on TK Maxx as reduced, so it makes me wonder if it's successful, if it's still there, does what it does, what is there. I mean, I don't know. If you know, let me know. So this little box contains a mascara plus lash primer and I think a little eyeshadow, like liquid eyeshadow, which is pretty cool. So this is what we have inside. I think for £7.20 this is a bargain, but let's see how they actually are. Okay, I think it blends quite nicely. It's really pretty. Okay, honestly, I quite like this one. I actually love it. I did not expect this. And we're gonna continue to my eyeliners by, again, Ariane Beauty. Funnily enough, I've seen so many videos, people absolutely smacking this eyeliner for being one of the worst eyeliners ever. But I think it's quite okay, nothing special. I just gotta use it because it's gonna go bad. And as you can see, mine is very filthy, despite the fact that I've been using it, I think only like twice since I did a video, so you do your conclusions. Okay, that took me ages and I think it dried up and it's not even expired and it's about 18 quid. So you do you. Next up, we're gonna move into the mascara, and for that I have another product from Honest Beauty from that little cute set, and this is Extreme Length Mascara plus Lash Primer. This is what we're talking about. Oh, it has a very interesting sort of white cast color. I guess this primer is supposed to help with a little bit of volume, a little bit of extra length. Okay, now that I've primed my eyelashes, I'm gonna use the mascara and let's see how good it is. Okay, I think it's just average. I have to add like hundreds of coats to be seen. It's okay. For my brows, I have something different and I'm so excited because I'm gonna use a Brow Renew Enriched Shaping Eyebrow Gel by the brand Rose Inc. or Rose INC, which was founded by Rosie Huntington-Whiteley, which is like a British supermodel. I think she launched her brand in 2018 after doing like an editorial website, and she started to brainstorm her brand, and this is what she came up with. Her products have like a very minimalistic and clean design. Recently, she stopped shipping in UK, which is really strange because she's from here, she's British, and her direct website doesn't ship her products here, which, I mean, I think it's definitely some financial decisions going back there, but I still find it a little bit strange. But you still can find her products on other websites like Space NK and Sephora. So this is like a clear brow gel. It retails for about £21, which is a bit pricey. To be honest, not much to say here. I think it makes them really fluffy. For the highlighter, I'm gonna use Kylighter Pressed Illuminating Powder in the shade 050 Cheers Darling, and it's of course by Kylie Jenner, which was founded in 2016, originally founded in 2015, and it was called Lip Kits by Kylie because we know that was her biggest thing, like that's how she became super viral everywhere. And this is what we have today. I don't think this brand is as popular as it used to be. I usually like to apply with my fingers because I think that's the best way, and I think it's a really nice champagne sort of color. Oh yeah, and it's absolutely stunning. Okay, so for the lips, I don't have one or two but 4 options, and it's really difficult to choose which one to put on my lips today. So we have the classic Kylie by Kylie Jenner, and then we have Soft Pinch Tinted Lip Oil by Rare Beauty in the shade Hope. Then we have the Ariane Beauty On Your Color Classic Lipstick, and of course a lip gloss by Fenty Beauty in the shade Fussy. Now for the sake of this video, I'm gonna use this one by Kylie Jenner with this one by Fenty. I know they don't get along, but they will on my lips. To be honest, I'm not a big fan of this one just because it's really drying up my lips, and I'm not using it just on its own like ever because my lips are drier than Sahara. and look how nice they become straight away. It's like adding life back to my lips. Okay, so that was me trying celebrity beauty products, and I'm really liking it, some of them. I really enjoyed this experience. Some of them were really good, some of them I'm really happy to say that some of them are really here to stay. Some of them we shall see in the future. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please smash that huge thumbs up, subscribe, and see you next time. Mwah. Bye!